this video, we are going to solve question number 29, option 2. Now, this is basically a linear differential equation which has a form given by dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. So we have to first find what is known as integrating factor, which is also written as if, which is nothing but e power integration of p dx. Now the solution of the differential equation will be given by y into integrating factor, and that is equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to dx. In our case, the question is cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to 10x. We will have to first convert into the form of the linear differential equation. So for that, we will divide the whole equation by cos square x. So first term will be dy by dx, second will be y by cos square x, and third will be 10x by cos square x. So what we have done is divide by cos square x on both sides. So if we compare now this equation with the standard form, what we get is p is equal to 1 upon cos square x, which can be written as sec square x, and q is equal to 10x by cos square x, which is equal to 10x sec square x. Now we will first find the integrating factor if. E power p dx. In this case, p is nothing but sec square x. So e power integration of sec square x dx. Now we know that the integration of sec square x is 10x. So the integrating factor is e power 10x. So the solution, as we have seen earlier also, the solution will be given by y into integrating factor, which is e power 10x, is equal to integration of q, which is 10x into sec square x. So 10x into sec square x into the integrating factor e power 10x dx. So first of all, for solving this, what we will do is take 10x as t. So if 10x is taken as t, dt will be nothing but sec square x dx. Now if you see the integration, sec square x dx is there, we can write it as dt. 10x as t e power t into dt. Now we have to do integration of t into e power t, which is nothing but integration of two functions being multiplied. So for that we will have to take one of them as u and one as v. So which is more easily integrated, we will take as u. So e power t will be u and t will be v. Now if the integration of u v dx is done, so we have to use this formula, which is v integration of u dx minus dv by dx multiplied by integration of u dx, and we integrate this whole thing with respect to dx. So using this formula, as per v and u which we have taken, LHS is same. RHS will be t outside integration of e power t dt minus dt by dt integration of e power t dt. So t into e power t integration is e power t. So e power x dx is nothing but e power x. So t into e power t minus differentiation of t is 1, e power t again into dt. Now integrating this, t e power t remains same minus integration of e power t is e power t, and for both the integration we write a common constant, which is c. Writing the solution in terms of t again, so y into e power 10x is equal to t into e power t minus e power t plus. Putting the value of t as 10x, we have taken t as 10x earlier. So we get 10x e power 10x minus e power 10x plus c. Now we can divide the whole equation by e power 10x. So we get y equal to y is equal to 10x minus 1 plus c e power minus 10x. Now this is the answer to this question. Hope this solution was clear to you. Thank you.